If you're installing a WordPress theme and you notice there's an error such as installation failed, could not create directory, in most cases is the problem with folder permissions. And the best way to troubleshoot it is to log into your WordPress dashboard and then hover on Tools, then click on Site Health, then click on the Info tab, then scroll all the way to the bottom and then expand File System Permissions. Now within this section, make sure that all directories are writable. In my case, there's an issue with plugins directory and themes directory. They're not writable, so we need to adjust that. And before proceeding with the steps shown in this video, please make sure to have a full backup copy of your WordPress site, including the database. Once it's done, log into your hosting account and then go to control panel areas such as cPanel, and then look for the file manager. Go ahead and open it. Once it loads, look for the root directory where your WordPress is installed, in most cases within the public_HTML. Now look for the folders such as WP admin, content and includes. The folder of interest is this one, wp-content. Make sure the permissions are set as 755. As in my case, that's what they are. Then go ahead and double click on it. Now let's locate the plugins folder, and as you can notice, the permissions for it are set as 555, and same thing for the themes folder. So we need to change that. First of all, let's start with the plugins folder. Let's right click on it and then click on change permissions. As in my case, under the user column, let's enable the right permissions, and they are right now 755, and that's correct. Let's click change permissions, and let's do the same thing for the other one, the themes folder. Let's set the check mark under user writable, and once again, change permissions. Now they're all 755. Now let's go back to the WordPress dashboard and refresh the site health page. Once again, let's go to info, expand the file system permissions, and they're all writable now. Now as an example, let's try installing one of the themes. Let's go to themes, add new theme, and let's install this one, 2021. Yeah, install without any issues. Let's try it out with plugins. Let's go and install plugins, add new plugin. And now let's install this plugin as an example. So in my case, the error has been fixed. However, if you're still facing the same issue as before, then what you could try doing is once again going to cPanel and making sure that there's enough disk space available on your hosting account. So that's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found this tip helpful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.